Hello viewers, welcome back to Hashni's View. Today we going to discuss about a news. Coronavirus Delta Plus variant. Will the Delta Plus variant cause a third COVID wave? Hear what the center has to say. As the number of COVID-19 cases in the country decline, the new strain of the Delta variant, which is also known as a Delta Plus variant, has been detected in many parts of the country, becoming a major source of concern for health officials and the government. With the several states lifting their border restrictions and easing their lockdown guidelines, the new variant only opens up the possibility of the third COVID wave. What is the Delta Plus variant? Where was it first discovered? Experts claim that the new Delta Plus variant is characterized by the acquisition of K417N mutation. It is a mutation of the Delta variant that drove India's second wave of coronavirus. The Delta Plus variant is therefore technically named B1617 2.1 or AY1. In a tweet, Vinod, clinician and scientist at Delhi CSIR Institute of Genomics and Interactive Biology said the mutation is in a spike protein of SARS-CoV-2, which helped the virus enter and infect the human cells. The variant was first detected in Europe in March this year, but it was brought to the notice of the public on June 13. Coronavirus Delta variant. How effective are COVID 19 vaccine against the newest Delta variant? Delta plus variant is now a variant of concern. Why it is so alarming? In India, the government has officially said that the Delta plus variant of the coronavirus is a variant of concern, that is VOC, which means it is more transmissible, has a stronger binding to receptors of lung cells and potential reduction in monoclonal antibody response. As of now, India is one of the 9 countries where the Delta Plus variant has been detected. Reportedly, the variant has been detected in the US, UK, Portugal, Switzerland, Japan, Poland, Nepal, China, and Russia. Coronavirus new variant. New Delta Plus variant in India. All you need to know about the new strain. Is the Delta Plus variant transmissible? When it comes to an infectious illness, health experts are primarily concerned about the transmissibility rate. Given that many cases of Delta Plus variant has been identified in parts of India, may bear concern whether or not the new strain can dodge immunity provided by both the vaccine and earlier infection. However, according to proof, Shahid, former SARS-CoV-2 genomic member and one of the leading virologists in the country, currently there is no solid evidence to suggest that the new variant is more transmissible than the others. He said like that. The Delta Plus variant is said to resist monoclonal antibody therapy. Monoclonal antibody therapy is being used to treat patients with mild to moderate COVID infection and have chances of developing severe infection. Monoclonal antibodies are clones of an antibody that targets one specific antigen. They are artificially created in the laboratory and bind to the spike protein of the SARS-CoV-2 virus, blocking the entry to the healthy cells and protecting the body from the same. However, scientists have said that the mutation in the Delta variant of SARS CoV 2 can resist monoclonal antibody therapy used in the treatment of COVID 19 patients. Coronavirus. AIM study claims Delta variant is highly infectious even for those who are vaccinated. Will the Delta Plus variant cause a third wave of coronavirus? The second wave of coronavirus is attributed to the Delta variant, which emerged in India last October. Now that the number of COVID 19 cases have started to decline, cases of Delta Plus variant have been found in Maharashtra, Ratnagiri and Jharkhand, Kerala, Palakkad, and Shivpuri in Madhya Pradesh. The government said in its advisory, health professionals and experts have addressed their concern and fear that the new variant may trigger a possible third wave. While much is still under speculation, the state of Maharashtra, which has reported most of these Delta Plus cases, is already preparing for the third wave. How is the center looking to prevent a possible third wave? On Tuesday, the government said that the Delta Plus variant has been detected in about 22 cases in Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, and Maharashtra. The Union Ministry has warned the three states and has advised the chief secretaries of the state have been advised to take up immediate containment measures in these districts and clusters as identified by SARS-CoV-2 genomic, including preventing crowds and intermingling of people, widespread testing, prompt tracking as well as vaccine coverage on priority basis. If this news is really likened by you all, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our Harshini's View channel. Always stay connected, stay safe, and stay home. Be aware of the next COVID wave. See you. Bye bye, Tata.